Here we are, Twin Flowers in Carlsbad, California. At the end of this video, I'm going to give you a secret on how to buy wholesale here when you're in California. There's the man right there. Don't forget that face. Tony? See, right there. He's your secret into the world. I'm going to tell you how to buy wholesale here in Carlsbad. Well, I just sort of gave it away. You want to talk to that man. Twin Flowers carries all spectacular flowers. They supply my classes with almost everything I utilize. There he is again. There's Tony. So come to Twin Flowers at the Carlsbad Flower Market and talk to Tony. Let him know you're with me. Say, I'm a friend of Michael Gaffney's and he told me to come here, and he will sell you spectacular flowers on a wholesale pricing. Beautiful stock today. So, here's inside the Carlsbad market, filled with vendors selling their products. Here's the selection of greens. I'm a greens man. I use them for everything. Greens are hot right now. So come to Carlsbad again, Carlsbad Flower Market. Ask for that guy right there, and you'll be able to buy your fantastic product. California has the most gorgeous flower markets in the country. Why? Because it's grown right here or shipped up from Mexico nearby, so it's not traveling. Wait, I'll take you inside Tony's secret cooler.
Oh yeah, you guys gotta love it.
See? Tony knows, and he has his lovely wife works here too. They will help you. Let's see, what's behind the magic curtain? Whoa! More flowers. More flowers. This is where the insiders shop. Inside the cooler. So there we go. Oh, let's look at these over here. Wait. Michael Gaffney, American School of Flower Design. Flower School 101. There's your pick of the day. I actually bought some of these for class. How much do you think these peonies cost? Well, they wholesale for $35 a dozen. So technically, retail, this bunch right here would be around $115, $20 for 5 peonies. They are not cheap, ladies and gentlemen, but they sure make everything we design with pretty. Here's another color. Here's another flower, similar color. I hope you're enjoying this preview today of gorgeous flowers in Carlsbad. Again, there's your gift for the day. Talk to Tony at Twin Flowers in Carlsbad and he will take care of you. Just make sure you tell him that you know Michael Gaffney and he sent you. Wow, there's our closing shot right there. Flowerschool101.com. Keep blooming.